So I asked what the biggest tyre you could squeeze onto the KTM Messina was. Didn't get any replies, so I assume no one's done it. Well, I've now got 2.6 on the rear, 2.5 on the front. Let's have a look. So there we go, we got both 29-inch rims, so Maxxis Minion DHR2 on the rear, and that's a 2.6 tyre. Clearance, we've got a good, I would say 9-10 mil either side up there, and then down the bottom a bit tighter, but still a good 6 mil either side. On the front we got the Maxxis Minion DHF, so again we're running 29 by 2.5. Clearance isn't an issue at all, bags of space. So yeah, KTM Messina 293, massive wheels, looks so much better, handles so much better.